Hello, welcome back. It is my anniversary, our anniversary, and so we are in San Diego, specifically La Jolla right now. We have only a day and a half here, but we are going to pack it full of stuff, taking you with me. Just checked into our hotel. We're staying at the US Grant. They are doing construction, but the room is really cool. Has a nice little sitting room area. I love how it has like the detailing. It's like kind of old looking. And then a nice view of the city. Now that our stuff is in the hotel room, we're gonna head out again and go to Coronado Island. Plan as we go. Let's go. At a park. There are so many cute parks here and it's so quiet. I say this as a truck is driving by, but it's like really quiet and peaceful, so it's been nice. And now we are going to go find lunch. Lunch, and now we are going to this cute ice cream shop called Moo Time Creamery. Walked around Hotel del Coronado. I think that's what it's called. Sorry if the wind is awful. It's huge. I underestimated the size of it. So cool. Got my ice cream. We're just gonna chill at the beach for a while. I actually feel like this is a success. Reminds me a lot of Cape Cod. In the sand from above and they spell out Coronado. How cute. Finished on Coronado. We are back in San Diego. Noah wants to see Petco Park, so we're just parked. We're gonna go walk around, and then we are also right in the Gaslamp district, so just doing sightseeing on foot. Apparently you used to be able to just go in, but it's closed now. Still cool to see. Love baseball stadiums. Love the vibes of baseball. Finishing our night, Noah got us reservations at the hotel restaurant. Finished dinner, and they were telling us that they have a guided tour because this hotel is very historical, and so we are just meandering around the hotel, exploring all the rooms. Really quick, what is your favorite memory from this year of marriage?
Doing 6 weeks in Europe.
Same, but more specifically, probably like going to get turtleneck in Prague. That was really fun.
Yeah, or the train rides.
And then, what is one thing you want to accomplish in this next year?
Buying a house.
Ooh, a big one. Buying a house would be really cool. And I don't know what other goals to have. I just want to be happy. Good morning. We're just heading out to breakfast, and then today we're going to San Diego Zoo and probably Balboa Park just to explore. Just at Corner Bakery. Gotta get a croissant, of course. Okay, before we check out of this hotel, this soap smells so good. If you ever want to ultimately splurge on shampoo and conditioner, this is what you need to go get. It's only sold by the luxury collection. It smells amazing. They say if you take a bottle, they'll charge you $62 though, so it is a splurge. Checking out of the hotel and then headed over to the zoo. Also, would definitely recommend this hotel. The staff is just so nice, and it's really cool. It's just a really cool hotel.
Better, bro.
If you were subscribed to me during my Europe series, you know that Noah loves a good zoo. I woke up this morning and he had already bought the tickets. He's hyped. So far we have seen hippos, leopards, cheetahs, tons of monkeys, baboons, what else? Zebra, koalas.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah. And we're not even halfway through. We have a ton of animals here. Got myself a frozen banana. No, got an ice cream sandwich. Taking a brief intermission. Finished with the zoo, so now we're gonna spend some time exploring Balboa Park. Starting with this sick building. This is the old botanical building, And it freaking sucks that they are completely reconstructing it, because Mo and I discovered our love for botanical things when we were in Vienna, and it would have been really cool to explore that. Plus it kind of ruins the view. This is such a cool area. Take a look inside the Japanese garden. I've been to a Japanese garden in, I think it was Portland, maybe it was Seattle. Maybe I've done both. And they're always just so beautiful. We're about to head back up north, so we're finishing off our time in San Diego with some Mexican food at Puesto. Eating, about to head home. That was pretty good. Overpriced tacos. Whenever tacos are expensive, I'm like, this place is an Instagram place, not so much food. But it was good. That was the quickest day and a half of my life. Hopefully there's enough footage for a vlog even. Yeah, it was fun. Thanks for coming along.